welcome to the explainer. Let's just dive right in, all right? Most people trying to make money with Temu, they're really just completely focused on one thing: cheap prices. But honestly, the real opportunity is not just buying random cheap products. It's about understanding attention, building trust, and figuring out exactly how low-cost products spread like wildfire through social media. So today, we're cutting through all the hype to look at the actual math and the real systems behind generating a realistic $10 a day, or maybe even more.
So here's the absolute core truth of the whole thing. Temu is primarily just a marketplace, right? It's not some magic income system. Cheap products alone just do not create profits. The reality is most successful online income comes from your marketing, your content, and your distribution skills. If you actually want to make real money, things like platform policies, profit margins, and most importantly, customer trust, well, they matter heavily. It's a real business, not some push-button shortcut to riches. Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll hit the reality of Temu income, then move into the legitimate earning methods and lay out a solid beginner action plan. After that, we'll break down the actual math and margins, cover some incredibly common beginner mistakes you need to avoid, and wrap it all up with some realistic expectations.
Number 1, the reality of Temu income. Let's debunk this easy money myth right out of the gate.
We absolutely have to talk about the elephant in the room, those in-app games that promise free cash and prizes. You know the ones. The internet gurus will tell you that games like Farmland or Fishland give you quick cash just for inviting a few friends. Well, that's the perceived reward, but real user data tells a totally different story about the actual effort required. These games use what's called an asymptotic progress curve. Basically, that means progress feels super fast at first, but then it slows to an absolute crawl at the end. Users are reporting that they actually need 60 to 100 referrals to win, with progress dropping to like 0.01% per click as you get close to the prize. It's literally designed to exploit the sunk cost fallacy and keep you inviting people for months on end. So look, if your goal is reliable income, these games are just a massive drain on your time.
Moving on to number 2, legitimate earning methods. This is where we trade luck for actual systems.
So let's step away from the time-wasting games and look at the actual skill-based strategies that generate micro-income. There are 3 real methods backed by the data here. Affiliate promos and influencer content both have 0 startup cost and super low risk, though, building an audience definitely requires a high time investment. Then you've got product reselling. This also includes buying low-cost supplies to bundle into your own niche offers. Now, this involves a medium startup cost because you're buying inventory, which brings medium risk, but it's really only a moderate time investment once you actually learn the ropes. Let's look a bit closer at probably the most accessible method, the Temu affiliate program. This is basically a system where you earn between 5% and 20% commissions on sales. It's a tiered system, so that highest 20% tier usually only applies to referred orders over $100. But here's the kicker. Temu also pays a fixed bonus, usually around $5 for every single new app download you generate through your tracked links. Honestly, that $5 fixed bonus, that is really the engine behind most realistic Temu income streams.
Number 3, beginner action plan. Let's look at the step-by-step execution.
So how do we actually put this into practice? Here are 5 foundational steps. Step 1 is absolutely vital. You have to choose one specific niche. Whether it's pet accessories, kitchen gadgets, or home organization, picking a hyper-focus prevents the totally common failure of just pushing random unrelated products to a very confused audience. Step 2, research those products carefully for quality and actual demand. Step 3, build a simple platform. Things like TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts are highly recommended for driving organic video traffic, while a simple website or an email capture page works absolute wonders for building a long-term audience. Step 4 is creating honest content, and Step 5 is really mastering that traffic and understanding your margins. Drilling down into Step 4 for a second, what kind of content actually converts into sales? Well, it's all about utility. Honest product reviews, problem-solving demonstrations, and organization or gift ideas, those perform incredibly well. You can even use AI-assisted tools to help script out your ideas or organize your content calendar, but your actual voice and the review itself absolutely must be authentic. Oh, and a massive pro tip from really successful creators. Whatever you do, avoid copying viral videos exactly. These platforms will penalize unoriginal content faster than you can blink. Your unique voice is literally your biggest asset here.
All right, number 4, the math and margins. This is exactly why volume matters so much. Let's look at the concrete numbers. $10 to $30. That right there is the average order value on Temu. Because this number is so incredibly low compared to other e-commerce platforms, those 5% to 20% affiliate commissions, they're going to yield very, very small amounts per sale. We're often talking just a few pennies. So what's the actual secret? High traffic volume. A few random clicks a month just will not cut it. You need to build consistent daily viewership to actually hit that $10 a day.
But hey, what if you decide to go the reselling route instead of relying on affiliate links? Let's break down the economics of resale arbitrage. Say you buy a completely unbranded phone case on Temu for $1.50. Then you turn around and resell it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace for $12. After you account for roughly $4.50 in shipping and platform fees, your net profit is $6. That is a solid 50% profit margin. Sure, reselling requires upfront cash and you absolutely have to do quality control testing, but as the math clearly shows, you literally only need to sell 2 of these a day to hit your $10 target.
Number 5. Common beginner mistakes. Let's get some guardrails for success in place. Of course, we all know it's not always smooth sailing, so here are the guardrails you need so you don't sink before you even start making money. First, do not ignore shipping delays or quality concerns. Literally always order a sample first if you're planning on reselling. Second, don't use fake urgency or go around spamming your links. It completely destroys your trust with the audience. Also, while Temu does have a super generous 90-day return policy, our sources from various seller forums show that users are actually getting handed automated 3-month account bans for excessive return activity. So if you try to abuse the return policy, especially on promotional items, Temu's algorithms will absolutely lock your account and freeze your credits. You've got to play by the rules. Oh, and just another quick reality check regarding the logistics of all this. When you actually go to withdraw your hard-earned cash or process a refund, be prepared for some slight delays. Because these are international cross-border transactions, PayPal payments can sometimes get flagged. They might end up stuck as pending due to regulations for anywhere from 1 to 3 days while they go through a manual review. Don't panic if this happens. It's just a standard banking security measure, definitely not a scam, but it's for sure something you need to factor into your cash flow expectations. Finally, number 6, realistic expectations. This is all about the long game. Let's bring this all together and look at what grounded success actually looks like. Consider 2 totally realistic paths here. First, imagine a creator who is focused purely on YouTube Shorts and TikTok, doing videos about kitchen gadgets. Now, they aren't going viral every single day, but their genuinely helpful problem-solving videos generate a really nice, slow, consistent drip of daily affiliate commissions. Second, think about a creator who decides to build an SEO blog and drives Pinterest traffic all around home organization tips. They're essentially building a long-term microbrand. In both of these examples, consistent execution and actually earning audience trust matters so much more than just crossing your fingers and hoping for viral luck. And really, that leads us to our final thought for this whole explainer. Earning a legitimate $10 a day or more with Temu? It is entirely mathematically possible. But it is not totally passive, and it's definitely not magic. So you have to ask yourself, are you truly willing to build the trust, the traffic, and the content required to create a real system? Or are you honestly just looking for another easy shortcut? The tools are all right there waiting for you, but the execution is entirely up to you. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive, and I will catch you in the next one.